You know that thing you do when you're living? You know the thing. You do it all the time. Breathing. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Everyone does it, but doing it in a city, you're actually breathing in lots and lots of particulate matter and gases. Particulate matter and gases are bad. In superhero movies, whenever there's a bad, along comes a good to save the day. Da-da-da-da! Airhead. They're the good.
Let me introduce you to Alex, Elliot and Harry. They founded Airhead and created a pollution mask which will make you say, "Gee, what a great pollution mask."
Just like you, they love breathing. Here's Harry doing some earlier, and hopefully he's still doing it now. But I know what you're thinking, I think. You're thinking, hold on a minute, handsome voiceover man. How can you be sure this mask is the best, and why would I wear one? Well, I'm glad you asked. You see, Elliot, Alex and Harry are smart. They're so smart that they know they're not smart enough to create a great product without help from smarter people. So they're working with the clever clogs at leading design institute Brunel University, creating a mask which, unlike other ones, is comfortable, you don't get too hot wearing, and it doesn't make you look like a deadly comic book villain. And the most important thing is, it works. I can't tell you how it works, it's far too clever for me, but someone who can is Brunel's lead designer.
We've been working with Airheads now for 9 months to help them create a superior pollution mask, and we've done it in 3 ways. Firstly, we've used a medical grade silicone seal that helps keep any pollution out. Secondly, we've maximised the surface area of the filter material so that it's as easy as possible to breathe through. And thirdly, we've developed some ultra efficient exhalation pods to make sure that the warm moist air that builds up within the mask is removed effectively.
So why go to all that trouble? Well, air pollution can cause all sorts of unpleasant things. I've listed them all here and I'll read them out in one breath for emphasis. It's been linked to strokes, lung cancer, heart disease, asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, wheezing, chest pain, dry throat, headache, nausea, fatigue, irritation of the eyes, nose and throat, coughing, chest tightness, low birth weight, dementia, type 2 diabetes, reduction in cognitive ability, depression, suicidal thoughts, weak bones, baldness, redness, irritation and violence on the skin, acne, and fittingly shortness of breath. Bad, isn't it? You might think you're a young hip thing with young hip lungs which won't get affected by that pesky pollution. And maybe you won't, but maybe you will. Why take the risk? So that's where we come in with our brand new pollution solution. Nice.
The Airhead mask is truly unique. First of all, it has a silicone seal which prevents any air leaking in through the sides. The mask also clips like this to allow you to take a drink or cool down without taking it off.
Our filters exceed the top European regulatory standard. The activated carbon layer absorbs harmful gases.
It has what we've called an air skin. It's changeable, so you can take it off and swap it for a different one to suit your style or mood. It also has a modular design, which means you can easily take it apart to give it a thorough clean.
I know, you know, and they know that in an ideal world we wouldn't wear a mask. But while there's pollution in the air, then whenever we're exercising or commuting, there should probably be a mask over our mouths. And if that's the case, then why wouldn't you make it the best one? Airhead have listened to their audience and made something that they believe will change perceptions and lives. All of the masks are made in the UK using the highest quality materials, and they can't wait to make the mask a reality. So, if, like them, you like breathing, then back this project and become an Airhead.